White Mediterranean house designs exude timeless beauty, effortlessly blending elegance, warmth, and a deep connection to nature. Their pristine white exteriors, inspired by the coastal homes of Greece, Spain, and Italy, reflect the bright sunlight, creating a stunning contrast against the deep blue skies and lush greenery that often surround them. These homes are not just architectural masterpieces, they are serene sanctuaries that embrace simplicity while radiating sophistication. The defining feature of a Mediterranean home is its white stucco walls. Smooth and slightly textured, these walls not only enhance the home's aesthetic appeal, but also serve a practical purpose, keeping interiors cool even in the hottest climates. The white surfaces reflect sunlight beautifully, making the house appear bright and airy throughout the day. When the golden light of sunset touches the walls, they glow with a soft, ethereal warmth, making the home feel even more enchanting. Arched doorways and windows add a touch of old-world charm, their gentle curves softening the home's strong, structured lines. These openings invite abundant natural light into the space, creating a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor living. Many homes feature wrought iron balconies adorned with cascading bougainvillea, their vibrant pink and purple blossoms adding a striking pop of color against the crisp white backdrop. Whether overlooking a lush garden, a sparkling pool, or the endless ocean, these balconies offer breathtaking views that enhance the home's serene atmosphere. The roofs, often covered in traditional terracotta tiles, bring warmth and contrast to the clean white walls. These curved clay tiles are not only visually appealing, but also durable, designed to withstand time and weather. Below, elegant wooden shutters, sometimes painted in soft earth tones or oceanic blues, frame the windows, adding a rustic yet refined element to the facade. These shutters, along with wooden pergolas covered in trailing vines, provide shade and comfort, making outdoor living spaces feel even more inviting. Speaking of outdoor spaces, Mediterranean homes are designed to celebrate nature. Expansive courtyards paved with stone or patterned tiles serve as tranquil gathering places, often centered around a fountain or a collection of potted olive trees. The scent of lavender and citrus trees fills the air, enhancing the home's relaxed, sun-kissed ambiance. Pergolas draped in climbing plants provide dappled shade. making them the perfect spots for leisurely afternoons spent sipping coffee or enjoying a slow meal with family and friends. Inside, the beauty continues with high-beamed ceilings, arched passageways, and a neutral color palette that keeps the space feeling fresh and open. Floors are often crafted from terracotta, natural stone, or intricate mosaic tiles, each adding its own unique texture and charm. Soft, flowing linen curtains sway gently with the breeze, while elegant yet minimal decor ensures that the space remains uncluttered and effortlessly chic. A Mediterranean home is not just a house, it is a lifestyle. Every element, from its brilliant white walls to its sun-drenched terraces, is designed to create an atmosphere of peace, comfort, and natural beauty. Whether perched on a cliffside, overlooking the sea, or nestled in a lush countryside, these homes invite you to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy life's simple pleasures in the most exquisite setting imaginable.